Yeah, I'm Amy, I'm an NPD technician. There was never really anything in the background for STEM subjects. I was an estate agent before this, and I went into an admin-based job in sales, so I used to do the quotations for different customers. And after having a baby, came back and was thrown in at the deep end in new products in administration, and slowly built my way up, built my knowledge up and became a technician. I really like where I am now. Other than gaining more knowledge, there's nothing really more I could ask for. I'm quite happy where I am. More taking the stigma out of it. A lot of people still look at me and go, "Oh, you're a technician," and I'd love to take the stigma away from that, where more women are in engineering, more women actually get into this because that's what they want to do, without the fear of being stereotyped.
My name's Kimberley Johnson. I am the laboratory supervisor here at Fenner Precision. I started off as a materials engineer and I got promoted to laboratory supervisor at the beginning of this year. I have a degree in forensic science which I gained from our local university. What really sparked my interest in STEM subjects was my upbringing. My father's an engineer, my brother's an engineer. I have a lot of very practical people in my life. I spent my childhood taking things apart and putting them back together. Probably not in the right order, but they went back together in a fashion. There's usually something left over. As for influences and mentors, one of my mentors is Dr. Belinda Clark. She has very kindly helped me out with the interview today. She's supported me all the way through my career so far. I've known her for the best part of a decade now. Another mentor is Dr. Ruth Croxton, who I met through university. She was one of my tutors at university. If there was ever a problem, if she'd explained it 9 times and that wasn't enough for you, you needed something more, she'd happily explain it a 10th time. And that really made a difference to my career and my outlook on life. My first job using my degree was a metallurgist in Lincoln. I didn't know metallurgists existed until I became one, and it was a really challenging, really exciting job, really technical, and it sort of gave me the bug, and that's how I ended up at James Dawson. I don't really have any career goals per se. I think my career will evolve with me throughout my life. I don't think I'm ever going to tie myself down to a single subject. Part of the reason I did forensic science as a degree is because it gives you a broader overview of the different sciences. You're not tied down to just a single science. That has allowed me to be more innovative in my work. It's allowed me to bring in different ideas, and I think it's really helped me progress to where I am today. I think I'd really like to help inspire the next generation of engineers, simply by showing that you don't have to stick with one area. I think you can go into different areas and still be incredibly successful and learn a whole lot. I think as long as you're enjoying yourself, then that's exactly where you need to be right now.